In this county, there are no roads that were provided for in this financial year, in the list that came out. That is because in the leadership, you need to be able to have gone to the table where budgeting is being done and push for those roads to be in the budget. You cannot get those roads from here. I can't, for example, stand here and tell you I'm going to give you this road if I have no plan on how to budget it. So you have to go in there, ensure that whatever is needed in the community is budgeted for, because that's where we get elected. As a group, as a team, it doesn't help to say, this government, this government, this government, this government. Don't complain without being strategic on how to ensure that we get the resources that we deserve. I've just been a minister for a year. I found there were, I think, 4 schools, 4 national schools. We were able to increase them to 13 in both Nyamira and Kisii. This university that we are talking about here, it was mooted in 2012. 20 what? How many years are those? It had never moved. Never moved, nothing. No budget, no strategy, no plan, just fighting and saying we don't want this, we want this, for 12, 13, 14 years. Can you imagine the loss? That university has a budget of 3.9 billion. When by the time we are finishing construction of it, completely from phase 1 to phase 3, we would have done 3.9 billion. And that money will be coming here. Can you imagine how much we've lost in those 13 years?